Hello again, and welcome back to our third and final bake. Today we'll be baking powdered sugar snowman cookies. They're super fun to make and even more fun to decorate. Now, some Butcher the Baker tips. You can always use a stand-up mixer or a handheld mixer, both work. And these are stacked cookies, so they can tumble over once you've decorated them. If you want to display them and not have that happen, you can always stick a toothpick straight through all three cookies and they'll hold up. And as a reminder, always have a grown-up with you when you're baking. Thanks for joining us, and let's get to it. So there you go, another treat for you to enjoy. This has been Butcher the Baker. Thank you for joining my holiday baking. If you've enjoyed this and other works at Carousel Theatre for Young People, we encourage you to donate to their Give the Gift of Theatre holiday campaign. The link to donate is at the bottom. And from all of us at Carousel Theatre, we wish you a happy holiday and a fantastic new year.
You can support our work at Carousel Theatre for Young People this season by purchasing a gift certificate for a loved one or by donating to our holiday gift campaign, Give the Gift of Theatre. For more information, visit carouseltheatre.ca.